Hello all, welcome to Tech Capture. Myself Vishal Bulbule, and in this video we are going to see how we can use local values in Terraform or a locals block. So I'll go to my Terraform code. So here in our last session we created a 5 storage bucket using the count meta argument. So we are using the single block and we are creating a 5 storage bucket in a same location. So I'll just run a Terraform plan here and I'll create this storage bucket first. So it is creating 5 and I'll do terraform apply. Okay, I'll just do yes and we'll monitor here. Okay, it created 5 new storage buckets here. Now here I want to add some, we could say, a labels. Okay, so I want to add a label. So labels will be key value pair and I want to add labels to all the newly created storage bucket, and label should be like for environment. So I want to add environment is equal to prod kind of labels to all storage bucket. So how I can add, either I can give value directly here or I can create a locals block. So I'll create a locals block. So I'll just give a common label. Okay, and I'll just give key value pair as the environment is equal to dev. Okay, and here I'll just check labels. We have labels argument in our storage Google storage bucket resource block, and I can simply use local. So here make sure you don't use a locals. If you use locals you will get an error, so I'll show you what error you will get that also. So locals that common labels. So I missed spelling here. Okay, now you could see it seems okay to you, but if you execute a plan it will throw an error because it'll show you that error. Okay, so manage a resource local common has not been declared in a root modules, so you don't need to mention locals. As you see locals here, you just need to mention local. Okay, now I'll execute again. So it should just update my storage bucket, it should not recreate. So 5 will be changed as per plan. You could see the 5 to change, and it is just adding the label environment dev. Okay, so I'll just do terraform apply. Okay, so before typing yes, let me show you. So here the labels are blank, nothing is here currently, and if I type yes, I'll go here. Okay, and I'll just refresh and you will see the labels are applied here. So this resource or like this locals block will be useful when you have multiple blocks or multiple modules inside the same module and you need to use it multiple times. So suppose currently I have only one single block. If I have 10 block or 100 blocks, so instead of creating map each and every time, I simply create one local and I can use that local value inside my module. So in this way we can use this locals block. So thank you for watching this video and let me know if any questions. I'll try to answer that.